lower 50s. East wind to 10 miles an hour becoming south this morning, then becoming southwest this afternoon. This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. During potentially hazardous weather, National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. The forecast for western Whatcom County and the northeast San Juans, including East Sound, Blaine, Bellingham, and Linden. Today, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s to lower 50s. East wind to 10 miles an hour becoming south this morning, then becoming southwest this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the 30s. South wind to 10 miles an hour becoming east after midnight. Thursday, cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs near 50. East wind 10 to 15 miles an hour becoming south in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain until midnight. Lows in the mid to upper 30s. East wind to 10 miles an hour becoming northeast around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the 50s. Northeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows near 40. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid to upper 50s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows near 40. Monday, sunny. Highs near 60. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows near 40. Tuesday, sunny. Highs near 60. Chance of measurable precipitation for Bellingham. Thursday, 20%. Pressure reports in millibars at 10 a.m. Seattle, 1026. Wenatchee, 1023. Bellingham, 1026. Forks, 1025. Astoria, 1026. Portland, 1027. North Bend, Oregon, 1029. Freezing levels from early this morning. Forks, 3,100 feet. Spokane, at the surface. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KAD93, broadcasting from near Blaine at a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The current time is 12:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KAD93, broadcasting from near Blaine at a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The current time is 12:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Weather synopsis for western Washington. An upper ridge of high president will move into the area today and remain through the weekend. A couple of weak frontal systems will try to break down the ridge and bring showers to mainly the Olympic Peninsula Thursday and again Saturday night, but inland areas will likely remain dry. The ridge will noticeably amplify Monday and Tuesday, giving above normal temperatures. At 11 a.m., Port Townsend, cloudy 45. Victoria Airport, near Sydney, partly sunny 43. Vancouver, mostly sunny 43. Inland water wind reports in Knots, Smith Island, west 4. Point Wilson, southwest 6. Point No Point, wind calm. West Point, southwest 5. Alki Point, wind calm. Point Robinson, south 3. The forecast for western Whatcom County and the northeast San Juans, including East Sound,